Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I am going to be doing two strand twists on stretched hair. Now, I have only done a twist out on stretched hair once on this channel, and I'm doing a twist out on I'm doing yeah, a twist out on stretched hair, but I'm also doing a two strand twist, which if you know me, you know I'm not a big fan of. So yeah, we're gonna see how this video comes out. So I am adding some of my J.Antoinette leave-in conditioner right now. So I'm gonna moisturize my hair before I stretch it. I am going to use the blow dryer, so I'm gonna make sure I moisturize my hair just so I don't suffer too much heat damage. So I'm spraying it and I'm going to moisturize it with the leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to stretch it on low heat. So that's what you're going to see me doing here. And then I'm going to be using my J.Antoinette Twist and Curl Souffle to do the two-strand twist out, as well as a new product, well, a product that's new to me, the Nefertiti Secret Aloe and Moringa Oil Hair Growth Curl Definer. Now, for some reason, I don't know why I thought this curl definer was a gel, and it's really not. It's a really nice curl definer. Like it has a light hold, but on wet hair the curls are awesome. And I just think maybe I got a little bit confused thinking that it would give me the hold of a gel, and it didn't. But it adds really nice shine. It gives really good curl definition, especially on wet hair. So yeah, so I'm just going to stretch my hair on low heat, and we are going to get this look started. I'm going to part it in sections. Look at this hair. Y'all not gonna play with me. Y'all not gonna play with this growth. But yeah, so I'm gonna part my hair in sections. I'm gonna do my two-strand twist. Then I'm gonna take it out, and you're gonna see the results. So to do this, I'm going to be taking the Twist and Curl Souffle and putting it on each section, and then going over it with the curl definer. So I'm just putting a little bit of Twist and Curl Souffle, and then this is the amount of curl definer that I'm using. Next time I think I'll use a little bit more. I was just worried because, you know, anything wet will cause your curls to cause your hair to revert back, so I didn't want to use too much. But maybe I could have used a little bit more cream or something like that. I don't know, but I learned for next time. So yeah, I definitely did I would say medium twists, even though they look small. But my hair is thin. My hair, trying to get this thing to grow back has been or grow thicker, I should say, has been my biggest challenge thus far. So that's what I'm really focusing on for 2020. But yeah, so I would say medium-sized twists. They got bigger towards the front, and yeah, so each section just adding a little bit of Twist and Curl Souffle and a little bit of the curl definer to do the twist. And now to something that I have been doing a lot of lately, which is oiling my scalp. I have been trying to oil my scalp now just about every night. So I normally go either every night or every 2 to 3 nights, but I'm definitely oiling my scalp at least 2 to 3 times per week. Well, at least 3 times per week, not even 2 to 3 times, at least 3 times per week. I try to do it every night, but I normally do every other night or every 2 to 3 nights. And yeah, so this is how it came out. This is actually 3 days later. So I kept the twist in for 2 days and took it down on day 3. And yeah, let's see these results. Alright guys, so here's the finished look. So I used the Nefertiti Secret, it's the Aloe and Moringa Oil Natural Growth Curl Definer. So I decided I wanted to use this for a stretched twist out. And here's a few things. First of all, I had these twists in for 2 days before I took them down. So I stretched my hair, twisted it, and then had it in for 2 days. So today's day 3, I'm just taking the twist down. So I don't know if that had anything to do with it, or maybe I think it's just a little bit too light of a hold for stretched hair to bring a lot of definition to stretched hair. So I love the definition that it gives me when my hair is wet and I do a twist out on my wet hair. But stretched hair, I got a little bit too much frizz. So I don't know if maybe it was because it's 2 days later, or if it's just not giving me enough hold, and so yeah, it's causing it to be frizzy. Other than that, I mean, I feel like my hair, I love the volume that stretched hair gives, and I love the definition that wet hair gives. So this, I like the volume, but I wish I had a little bit more definition. I'm getting a little bit too much frizz, and so I don't know if that would mean that I would have to go in with a heavier gel or what. But outside of that, I love the way this look came out. You guys let me know what you think in the comments below. Of course, comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you are notified when I upload another video. I mean, like, come on. Yeah, this makeup look was inspired by J.Antoinette, an old video that she did. And if you guys want to see this look, let me know. If you want to see how I got this makeup look, let me know in the comments below. I will be uploading this video. I haven't put up much makeup videos in a minute, but I got a few that I need to edit and post for you guys. So I'll keep you posted. As always, thank you so much. We just hit 14,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, you guys, for subscribing and your continuous support. I so appreciate it. And yeah, guys, until I see y'all again, stay beautiful. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.